And now, Jieshuo, aka Commentary Screen Reader, CSR, or if you're me, the Confused Screen Reader. This is a segment dedicated to this great popular screen reader where we show you some new feature or some feature that we believe you should be in the know of. And now, for this episode, here's your entry for Jieshuo, aka Commentary Screen Reader. And now let's close today's episode with that Confused Screen Reader demonstration there by Kareen. Kareen brings us a good demonstration of the Confused Screen Reader Jieshuo, Joshua Screen Reader. And now here's Kareen to show us what's new in the Jieshuo Screen Reader.
Hi. Jieshuo Screen Reader uses volume keys as shortcut keys. This means that it's able to use volume key presses to perform Jieshuo's own functions, to run extensions, enable timers, to open apps, and to move the cursor in edit boxes, as well as to adjust slider values. However, in some applications, this conflicts with the in-app functions where volume keys are used for specific functions or options. While it's possible to disable the ability of Jieshuo to control volume keys, it's not the ideal solution. So for this reason, Jieshuo's developer has added the ability to exclude specific apps from the Jieshuo volume key controlling. This means that the user has the ability to select the apps he or she wants to be excluded. So when a selected app is in focus, Jieshuo doesn't handle volume key presses. Let's see how it works. I'll open the screen reader settings.
Main menu. Screen reader settings. Home screen to Jieshuo Max.
And then operation settings.
Feedback settings. Operation settings. Operation settings.
And then shortcut key settings.
Shortcut key settings. Shortcut key settings.
To disable the use of volume keys by Jieshuo completely, I can uncheck this option.
Use the volume keys checked controls whether the volume keys can be used as Jieshuo screen reader's shortcut keys.
And to use the new feature, I must activate
apps where Jieshuo does not handle volume key presses, turbo alarm. Apps where Jieshuo does not handle volume key presses.
I've added before the turbo alarm application. For this reason, it told me the name of the app. So here I have a list of all the apps available on my device. I can check the apps I want. And to deselect an app, I just double tap to uncheck it. Unfortunately, until the time of recording, there is no way to search in this list. So you have either to scroll until you find the app you want, or use list browsing, which is a Jieshuo function. By default, you swipe right then down to activate list browsing. So I'll use list browsing.
ACR phone unchecked.
So I'll just first focus one of the apps in the list, and then I'll activate list browsing.
Main menu. To top. To list. List. Apps where Jieshuo Max list browsing.
And then I'll search.
Enter keyword text box.
By tapping enter keyword, I'll type the word turbo.
Shift. Capital T, J, 6 results. U, R, B, 0 result, 0, L, Lima, O, Oscar, O, 0 results.
And I'll select scroll forward.
Cancel, turbo text box. Scroll back button, scroll forward button. Apps where.
It will keep scrolling until it finds the item or until it reaches the end of the list.
Jieshuo Max list browsing. Turbo alarm. Apps where Jieshuo does not. Task. Turbo alarm unchecked.
So when I double tapped, it unchecked turbo alarm because it was checked before. I'll recheck it.
Checked. Turbo alarm checked.
And then I'll tap OK.
VP. OK button. Shortcut key settings.
I'll now go and test if it works. In Turbo Alarm, there is an option to use volume keys to dismiss alarms. If Turbo Alarm is not excluded from Jieshuo's volume controlling or volume key presses controlling, the option won't work because Jieshuo will handle the volume key press.
Turbo alarm. Turbo alarm. Alarm clock 803 unchecked. Alarm clock.
I'll open one of the alarms.
Snooze action. Item 11 of 14 big button cancel action.
Cancel action.
Item 11 of draw a triangle unchecked. Draw square volume buttons unchecked. Slide volume buttons unchecked.
Volume buttons, I'll check it.
Alarm detail.
And now I'll use test now.
Test now button. Application icon. Alarm detail.
I pressed the volume up key and it dismissed the alarm. Whenever I am in Turbo Alarm, Jieshuo won't at all handle volume key presses. This means that all shortcuts assigned to volume keys won't work as long as I'm in the Turbo Alarm application. I hope that this demonstration was clear. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, Kareen, for another entry of the Jieshuo screen reader.